Yeah. I need to let me say, hey, turn that music back on. What are you doing? Turn the music back on. Yeah! You gotta get the smoke out of here. Damn, I smoked this place up. Hey, are you coughing yet?
Is that cool now?
No, because you're not smoking.
I cough more?
No, I cough more. We're gonna have a coughing contest right now. Here, you take a puff of this.
I don't cough.
Alright, well then you just cough and I'll do it. Alright, alright, that's 10. Alright, I'm gonna cough more. What are you doing?
Get my trademark hat.
You're looking at it, you're knocking, you're messing up the place, man.
Yeah. Now I gotta help you pick this shit up.
That's nasty.
No, your friends don't want you to, but ignore me.
You're knocking stuff over.
Yeah.
No, I can't do my show because of you.
Yeah.
It's all your fault.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit this here and smoke the cigarette because you pissed me off. I'm pissed off, so I'm gonna smoke a cigarette now. Alright? Here I go.
If you really think that it's not, don't try to play me, cause I'm not the one.
I don't want to do a coffee contest.
Alright, fine, then if this shows up.
But if you ain't.
Hell yeah!
Hey, Greg Cobb, you on TV?
Yeah, I'm on TV, man! I'm just doing a little dance for my mom, because I don't have no damn cigarettes, because I'm pissed! I'm pissed because I have no cigarettes, that's what I was about to say. So, I'm going to stand here and annoy you guys because I don't have no cigarettes. That's why I'm on camera and I'm cool, and you're not, because I'm on TV and you're not! Yeah! Right? Is that right?
I'm cool, yeah.
No, I'm cool. I'm cool because I'm on TV, and that's why I'm cool. Because I'm on TV, and you're not cool because you're not on TV right now. Just your voice is. So your voice is cool and you're not. That's why I'm cool and you're not. Because I'm cool and you are not. Just wanted to make that. I'm winded right now because I smoke, and that's bad for you because I smoke. It's bad for me, but I still do it because it makes me look cool. Now I'm going to take my special effects, and I'm going to produce a little smoke. That was cool, wasn't it? Am I annoying you guys yet? Too bad I'm not getting off the camera! Hey, I gotta go! What?
Tell me you smoke again.
I smoke! And alcohol drinks! That's why we're cool and you're not, because you don't do it! Right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to agree with me, not sound like you're not agreeing with me!
I agree with you, Greg Cobb.
Indefinitely?
Indefinitely.
Good! I'm gonna use special effects again! It's not working now! My special effects aren't working! Why aren't these working? Hey, give me more fog juice!
You gotta wait for it to warm up.
Damn! It has no fog juice in it, alcohol cow! Stop drinking the fog juice to give it to me!
I don't have no beer!
Give me the fog juice now! There's none in it! There's no smoke in it! Alright, you're a liar! Actually, I'm a liar because I said there's no smoke in it. He told me to wash. But stop drinking my fog juice! I don't care! We all know that we're broke! Stop drinking the special effects! So thanks for making me call. I need a cigarette, but I don't have any money, so I can't get one. And alcoholic has no money, because he don't work, and he's a bum drunk. Right?
I'm going to college! I'm going to college again! What did I tell you that 10 years ago?
Hell yeah! More time! Get low! Get low! Get low! No! To the wall! Yeah! I'm cool! Cause I'm on camera! That's right! I'm on camera! And I'm gonna do some more special effects! And you can't do anything about it! You wanna know why? Cause I'm on TV and you're not! But you can change the channel, but you're not! Cause you're gonna listen to me! That's why!
You gotta throw up now!
Oh yeah! I'm gonna throw up
Finger in your mouth!
I'm gonna throw up now! I'm gonna put my finger in my mouth and I'm gonna throw up and you can't do nothing about it! Now I'm gonna do it because I'm cool and you're not! Hey, alcoholic, turn the music up! Turn it up! Turn it up! Turn it up!
They're all here, you throw up!